나라의 최고 이익을 수호하기 위하여
and you have evidence that the results we are receiving have actually been doctored. The national vote tallying process lacks integrity and has to be stopped.
Data secara unconditional.
We have been hugely impressed by the quality of the bid presentations made by